Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we will take a look at the best convertible laptops that launched in 2017. Remember, to win, performance is the key criteria. Now, in an age where Microsoft is working towards making the Windows experience equally comfortable in tablet mode as it is in laptop mode, the thin and light convertible category makes much more sense from a design and functional point of view. It is an epitome of what all Windows laptops or laptops in general will be in the future. However, it's easier said than done since there is a lot of clever engineering required to maintain size, weight and design of an ultra-portable without compromising on performance. So, the Zero1 winner for 2017 is the HP Spectre X360. After launching the Spectre last year, the Spectre X360 was HP's take on the thin and light convertible segment, and the company has gone all out on performance. The Intel Core i7-7500U on this machine breaks all previous performance benchmarks set by this chip in the thin and light category. Not just that, the amount of hardware it packs in the thin and light chassis remains unmatched. Beyond performance though, the HP Spectre X360 is more about the premium feel. It is a design masterpiece which looks both elegant and bold at the same time. The matte grey finish on the laptop is in contrast to the copper polish around the sides, which gives the machine a beautiful yet polarizing look. The runner-up position is secured by the Lenovo Yoga 720. On paper, the Yoga 720 is almost as powerful as the Spectre X360. However, during our testing, the Spectre X360 did inch ahead of everything else. Still, you get the top-of-the-line hardware available today in addition to the best battery life in the category as well. The machine also features an updated design and build quality, which is now even more business-like. The laptop also has an upgraded hinge, which now offers better resistance and less wobble when typing. We also like the fact that Lenovo was considerate enough to add a fingerprint scanner on the machine, which in our opinion should be mandatory. The best buy this year is the Asus ZenBook UX360. This particularly silent laptop brings the goodness of a thin and light form factor to the masses since its price starts at as low as 50,000 rupees. However, what's so impressive is that even with an M-series Intel processor, it can keep up with most day-to-day tasks and never felt underpowered until we ran some games on it. This thin and light convertible packs a 4K display on its highest end model. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and share this video, and you can always tell us what you thought of this video in the comment section below. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.